So for today's video, we'll be doing a MINISO haul and I'll be giving my honest review about the products na nabili ko just for 160 dirhams. Hello everyone! It's Paula Rosario and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka pa lang dito, i-click na ang subscribe button and i-hit ang notification bell below para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong videos. So today, nakalabas ako to do some errands and naisingit ko na rin ang pagpunta sa MINISO to buy some girly things na i-share ko sa inyo. And I've decided to do a MINISO haul para rin makapagbigay ako ng honest review and feedback din sa mga products nila. And most of them are makeup products. So, hello sa mga sisters natin dyan na gustong bumili sa MINISO and hindi sila makabili kasi usually wala silang mga testers doon for you to check muna before buying. So, I hope this video would help and sobrang mumura ng products nila. Ang dami kong nabili for only 160 dirhams. That's around 2,000 pesos siguro sa conversion sa Philippines. So today, kasama ko yung sister ko sa vlog na to. It's because siya yung kasama ko all day. And most of the things rin, I bought it for her. First up is our makeup brush set. I've got this for 10 dirhams. So it's around 150 in pesos. I'm going to open it. Dami fingerprint. It's so cute kasi meron siyang ganyan. Ang tawag dyan? Makeup brush holder. Oh.
Bag. Brush.
Yan. So ito siya, guys. It's so soft. Maganda yung quality niya. Malambot siya. And then ito is for contour. This one is blender ng eyeshadow. This one's another eyeshadow blender. And this is eyebrow brush. And then another eyeshadow blender. And ito is yung para sa eyebrows. Eyebrows? Oo nga. Yung pang highlight ek-ek. And this one's another for eyeshadow. Yeah. So we've got around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At meron siyang kasamang bag. Bag for the brush. So, I'm so satisfied with this kasi meron pa akong mga ibang pinagpipilian na makeup brush set kanina. But hindi ko alam na 10 dirhams lang pala to. So, sobrang sulit niya. And maganda yung quality niya, guys. So, this is a thumbs up. Recommended siya. Mag-give this 9 out of 10 sa mga nabili natin.
Why not a perfect 10?
Nobody's perfect. Yeah. So cute. So, makikita niyo to sa mga makeup vlogs ko kasi I'm gonna be using this. It's so cute talaga. I'm so happy with this. By the way, this is not sponsored, guys. So, MINISO. Baka naman. Char. Ayan. So, next up is another brush. Well,
my ate is obsessed with brushes.
Brush is life. Can't get enough with brushes. So, ito is, para saan ba to? I'm not sure. Maganda lang kasi siya, kaya ko siya binili. But, it's for blush or pwede rin siya for powder. Oh my God. It's so soft. Maganda rin yung quality niya. And, see, it's so cute. Favorite ko siya. Rose gold yung color niya. Like my nails. No, I'm gonna give this a 7. Kasi wala siyang container. Tapos wala rin siyang cover.
Next is Hairbrush. That is the same color of my room. It is pink and it's so cute. It's gray here. But what I'm really sad about is that it has a hole there. I didn't notice it when I picked it up. This hole right there, if you can see it there.
Grabe
I'm
ka naman.
so disappointed. But it's still cute.
Isa lang.
Still, I eat.
Oo nga. Pero maganda siya. Lambot. Tapos,
I made my sister buy this because I hate having to share my hairbrush with other people, so...
well, to be honest, she just made me buy this because it's the same color of her room and she wanted something pink. And there's no pink there, like for decoration or something. So, she just bought this. But it's actually nice, apart from, meron talaga siyang isang butas. Ano yan? Please don't remove sticker.
Why?
Bakit? Anong meron dito? So, syempre, i-remove natin kasi sabi niya, please don't. Para malaman natin
Maybe
kung...
it will break. Hair scraper.
So, we've got this cushion hairbrush for only 7.35 AED. And I think it's worth it naman. So, just disregard yung sinabi niya na review na may butas. Kasi, oh, come on. Would it make a difference kung meron siyang isang hole? Hindi naman pa. So, next up would be ang aming shades! Oh my God! This is so cute! And because sobrang mainit na ngayon yung weather dito sa UAE, I think magagamit ko to most of the time. But, yun is kung lalabas kami. But, I think this is so cute kasi I've tried it on before buying. And we've got this only for 26 dirhams. But the only negative thing about this is wala man lang siyang lalagyan or whatever. Nakaganto siya, guys. But anyway, marami naman akong ganyan. But look. It's time to try.
Wait for me.
Wow, so cute, I think. Ang cute mo. Ganda niyan. So, this is a 9 out of 10 again for me. Kasi this is so cute. Next up is this matte loose setting powder. Ito siya. So, sabi ni ate, wala na raw siyang shade. There are only 2 shades of this loose powder. Isang nude, tsaka isang ivory. So, this is nude. So, number 2. So, number 1 is ivory, number 2 is nude. Ito siya. And, wow!
Has its own cushion.
1 plus 1.
2!
1 plus 1. Yan. So, see, ito
Really
yung
kasama.
powder niyan. I don't know paano siya i-open. Ayan. So, syempre, i-remove nyo yung sticker para magamit nyo yung powder. Amazing. And, gamitin natin to try. Please, sa'yo ko ito try, please. Yan, diba? Ganda. It's nice, pero ang hirap kuhanin yung powder. You have to do this.
It says in the back of the box that you have to turn the powder box upside down and pour
So,
the
ganun
defined
na.
amount of loose powder on powder puff.
Gandahin mo siya. Just first put this here,
But it's so
and then
messy.
upside down. Yeah, I'm not liking this.
The
It's
problem
nice,
is messy.
and ano siya, worth it yung price niya kasi it's only 12.60 dirhams. So, I guess this would be an 8 for me. Kasi, maganda naman siya. Nakaka-fresh. Nakaka-fresh ba?
Yeah, it says here.
Yeah, it's just
It makes your makeup fresh, transparent, soft, and smooth.
Kaya pala.
Next, we have the... What's this called?
No strips.
Marble Kawaii Nose Mask. This one is the Captain Marvel, and the
This
other
is
one
the-
is the Iron Man.
Yan. So, sabi niya, there are 8 sheets daw. Actually, my sister have been using this na for a long time.
And
lagi
ate,
lang.
ate always gets from me. So,
Yeah, humihingi
buti
ako
pa
sa
lang,
kanya.
it is buy one get one. So,
Yeah, and guys, bumili kami nito and nung nagbabayad na kami sa counter, this is only for 10 dirhams. And sabi ni ate, it's buy one get one promotion daw ngayon. So, meron kaming dalawang boxes. So, syempre, I'm so happy with this. I'm gonna give this a 9 kasi na-try ko na siya before and ma-remove lahat ng blackheads niya pag ginamit niya siya. So, I think I'm gonna make a review about these strips na lang on my next vlog. But, yun. So, 8 plus 8 equals 16. Walang
Quick maths! Next up is... Cheese. Sheet mask.
Sheet mask. Japanese charm sheet mask. So I've got the flavor. Milk.
Mine's nature, the nature's pick. Nourishing sheet masks.
Nourishing.
What? Bulgarian rose. It increases skin absorption and boosts skin radiance.
And yung sa akin naman is, contains natural milk nutrients to brighten skin tone, wow, and relieve skin dryness, restoring the moisture barrier of skin. May directions na rin siya sa back. And it's only for 3 dirham. Storage period until 3 years. So, on 2024, guys, I'm gonna make a review na ginamit ko na siya. I think pinili lang ulit to ni Riz kasi pink siya and it matches her room. But anyway, the next one is... So, this is a Nail It nail polish and we've got this for only 7 dirhams. I
wanna try it.
Try mo sa'yo. I'll try this on
What?
you
I
kasi
don't know.
meron na ako eh. Kala ko kanina purple.
Ayan yung sinabi ko purple. Ay, hindi. Black.
Ayan siya. Maganda naman. And for only 7 dirhams, I think it's worth it. Lahat na lang ng products nila worth it. I'm gonna give this a 9 again. Hoy! Oo nga! Ang ganda nito!
Told you. I like
It's kinda rose gold. Parang ganito siya. Yan.
Cause it's like clear, but then it's kind of pink.
Kahit isang coat lang siya, it would be good enough na. I don't think kailangan siya ng second coating. But ito, since light na light yung color niya, this would be needing around siguro 2 to 3 coatings para ma-achieve mo yung color niya talaga. Next up is ball pen! Nothing about beauty or whatever. It's just pink and it's so cute kaya ko siya binili. I think this will be useful sa work ko. Got this for like 7 dirhams only. Yan na, Dok. Oh my God. Pinapahirapan na kaya ito. Ito, oh, cute niya. Wow, it's so amazing. Look, the shimmery thing. Ang ganda niya. And it's rose gold. My favorite color.
I think I remember that Ate has the same
pen.
Not the same one, but it's like similar to this one.
Pero walang glitters. So yeah, ang dami ko ng ganitong siya. Pero i-try ko siyang isulat kung maganda pa rin ba siya. Wow, okay. It's color blue. Maganda naman siya. We've got this for 7 dirhams. I think most of their products are starting from 7 dirhams. So, ganda siya. I'm gonna give this a 9.5. Mataas na mataas. Magkaka-10 na tayo. Next up is itong dalawang container natin. Tcharam! Again, it's pink. I don't know kung saan ko to gagamitin, but I think lalagyan na itong mga to. Or maybe sa bathroom or whatever it is. Lalagyan ko ng mga lotion or makeup or my accessories. But guys, hindi ito galing sa MINISO, sorry. I got this from Daiso. Again, I think this is around 7 or 14. I'm not so sure, but galing siya sa Daiso. So, I just want to share it with you because it matches everything that is pink. And also, I've got another one from Daiso. Tcharam! So, this is 18 dirhams. Ito, may price siya dito. Or ito. May price siya dito. So, I just went there to check.
Ate took so long choosing one. There was like 4 choices. And she spent most of her time in Daiso picking out one. Also in MINISO, she was also finding one like that.
Meron sila actually, pero ano lang yung kanila. More of lalagyanan siguro ng accessories but not makeups. So, I went to Daiso just to check and I'm so happy with it.
Whoa!
I told you. Marami silang sizes ng ganito. Yung iba is, meron pang Meron pang sa ilalim, yung lalagyan ng accessories. But I don't need that kasi meron naman ako for my jewelry. I just needed this siguro for my lipsticks and for whatever I can put it here. And I like it. It's so nice. Ayan, meron siyang 9 containers of lipsticks. And meron pa siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na mga other storages for makeups. So yan, itry natin siya ilagay dito.
I love it.
But it doesn't love you.
Oh, hate you.
But I love you.
Not here. The tongue
Oh,
should be
it's so
here.
tall.
Yeah.
Yan, okay. See, guys? It's so cute, no? I think
If only Ate had like lipsticks.
Yes.
Ate doesn't like lipsticks.
Yeah. I'm not more on the lipsticks. I'm more on to...
Fun fact.
No slime. So, diba? It's so cute. And, also pala, nakalimutan ko, meron pa akong isang product from MINISO. Ito siya, eyelashes.
Wow, you didn't show
It
that.
says Fibers plus fiber. Ang weird niya. Ayan. So, sabi ni ate na nagbebenta sa MINISO is, this is for volume daw ng eyelashes. So,
Ate does not have lashes.
yes, fun fact. I don't have lashes na because I've had my eyelash extension months back. And nag-fall off yung eyelashes ko kasama nung lashes. So, I don't really recommend having that. So, we're back to mascara. Ay, ayaw mo ba ito?
I'm strong. Look. See?
Okay. Wow. Ay, parang amazing siya. Yung mga mascara naman daw, most of the time, is pare-parehas lang siya ng thingy inside. So, ang nagmamatter is yung outside niya. So, this kind of brush na medyo makapal is to volumize your lashes. Diba? Maganda siya. Hindi nyo lang halata. Maganda siya. Tignan mo, nagpapa-makeup tutorial ka lang yata dito eh. So, ayan, ito is only 415 dirhams. And, I think okay naman siya. I just don't know whether this is waterproof or hindi kasi wala rin nakasulat. But I don't think so naman this is waterproof. So, to complete this, ayan. So, that's it, guys. This is all for our MINISO haul. I hope this video gave you some idea about the price range dun sa mga products nila. And yun nga, sa sinabi ko kanina sa intro, hindi kasi sila masyado, or I think wala talaga silang mga testers dun sa MINISO. Or maybe dun lang sa store na napuntahan ko. But I hope this video helped a lot para dun sa mga gustong bumili ng products nila. If you guys got these products also from MINISO, just comment down below yung price. Para ma-compare ko kung magkano, kung lugi ba ako or hindi. Because I think most of the countries have different price range rin ng products. Depende kung anong country yung branch nila. And if you want to see more of these videos, mga shopping hauls or reviews ng mga kung ano-anong products,
Make sure to let us know by hitting the like button, turn it blue.
And before we end this video, gusto ko lang mag-shout out kina Lucas Lazada, hello, and Philip Steven Di Maiwat, palit! Siguro for around 10 years ago ko pa siya siguro nakita, or more than that. But I'm so happy dun sa engagement mo, and congratulations! Invite naman dyan pag kinasal. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell below para lagi kang notified sa mga bago kong videos. See you in our next video! Bye!